Sorry, the school-going children are in uniform.
Yes.
He doesn't need to investigate. He can even liaise with the Ministry of Interior. Police officers are everywhere. They arrest these children, they take them to the police station, and then you question the school. Mr. Speaker, I come from Kisii, yes, where we have high rates of defilement. These children, they are on the road by 4:30. There is no electricity. We have so many bushes, meaning we have given out our girls just to the world. At 4:30, are they studying for PhD? It is the minister who should do a circular to schools, and it has to be a tough circular so that we say school begins at 8, the way he has stated. Then they will leave home at 6, which is good time when everyone can see. When they report to school, Mr. Speaker, and if they don't honor the circular, then something can be taken to those schools the way it has been before, when they were told the schools must have yellow buses. Everything was in order. I support Honorable Raso because Kisii, check the statistics. 60% are teen mothers. It's not something to smile about. Waziri is my uncle. He must act, he must be tough. And in fact, next week I'm going to Kisii. If I bring more photos of children going to school, something has to be done from Waziri's office. It is not a walk in the park. It is very bad for our young girls going to school at 4:30. Are they doing masters? Which education is this they are going to participate in, Mr. Speaker? It is really bad.
Minister,